Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Twitter app. Do you know how to fix or how to solve your Twitter app? You should just go to settings. After that, in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to the window of Twitter. Then this page of apps, app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can mix errors on your app. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. And after all these steps, then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.